Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and welcome to 2021. Now you'll realise that I haven't recorded any videos for such a long time. In fact, the last one was April 2020, and 2020 has been one of those years where everyone's been locked down, locked in, couldn't do anything, but most people would have taken advantage of using their open space in their gardens, which I did. Unfortunately, I didn't do any recordings. I was busy doing some decorating and maintenance on the house, which took up most of my time. Although I did maintain the garden, I didn't do any videos, so apologies for that. But hopefully 2021, although we're still in lockdown again, hopefully we will continue to give you some tutorial videos, give you a tour around the garden, see what we're doing, and hopefully this year I'll be more regular in terms of updates on videos, so at least once a month if I can do that. So let's have a look around the garden and the greenhouse, and I'll also add in some photos of 2020 which I took throughout the year. Enjoy! So a quick look in the greenhouse then. So what we've got in here then is some overwintering fuchsias, geraniums. Down here are some cuttings that I took off the fuchsias from last year. So they're just overwintering. Got some chili peppers, which are overwintering. And again, just more geraniums. What I have got down here is just some stored dahlia tubers. So I'm just going to leave those in the greenhouse, just make sure they don't dry out too much. And we'll plant those up this year once the weather and the frosts have gone. So let's have a quick look in the garden. So a quick look outside then. So we've got the veg patch which I've planted up with my perennials. So these are the plug plants I bought from Thompson and Morgan. Put them in pots and then put them in the veg patch just to continue growing, and then we'll put them in their final position this year once the frosts have gone. So let's see where I grew those from from plug plants, sorry. Then we've got the raspberry canes here, new ones from last year. The blackberries. Just got the silver birch trees. This is the one we're doing a bonsai on, so I'll wait for that to start bursting into growth. You see the greenhouse down there and the lavender that needs cutting back. The bottom of the garden just there, so you've got the two large silver birch trees now which are coming on lovely. And I think we've seen the daffodils just starting to poke through. So yeah, daffodils just starting to come through. Not a lot happening obviously this time of year, with it being only the 10th of January. Everything's just died back and resting. Side border, again just resting. A few geraniums in there, see if they'll survive the winter. Here the wisteria just wants a trim back in February, so cut it back to 2 buds in February for the flower, then cut back to 7 buds in July to maintain its shape. Like I said, not a lot happening, just thought I'd give you a quick update, and hopefully we'll continue with these videos on a monthly basis. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply.